Welcome to Health Plans Today. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Signs indicate that you have diabetes. Diabetes is a disease caused by increased blood sugar, usually triggered when the body loses its ability to produce insulin. There are 3 types of diabetes which have a number of symptoms that included within those who are excessive thirst, frequent urination, slow healing of wounds, vision problems and other conditions. Signs indicate that you have diabetes. It is likely that the information just like to propitiate was not unknown to you, but what you might not know is that there are a number of warning signs that can help you know if you suffer from this disease or if you are close to having to, thereby avoid it becomes chronic or help you avoid a diagnosis for life. 1. Decrease in hearing. It is normal that in time may experience hearing changes, mainly when it is entering old age, but what you might not know is that this sign could be an early warning of prediabetes. It is scientifically proven that when sugar levels rise above the normal range may damage vessels found in the ears and affect hearing. 2. Skin problems. If you start to notice changes in your skin as dark spots on your neck and elbows, it is important that you perform a control test to rule out sugar. You're suffering from diabetes. This symptom, usually in conjunction with obesity, is associated with people who already have the disease. It is important to note that if you start to itch all over the body and creams you use to calm him fail to do anything to you, we suggest you go to a doctor. Diabetes affects the blood circulation, resulting in skin damage. Health. 3. Improvements in the vision. Sometimes diabetes usually improves while eye care. This happens because when you have this condition can increase body fluids, and this could affect positive vision momentarily. If you have identified some of these signs, our recommendation is to visit a doctor, and you could be suffering from this disease, and like all, if caught early, can prevent permanent consequences.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.